if you want to go ahead and enable audio visualizations inside a VLC Media Player, that is possible as well. So for that, first of all, you need an audio file. If I were to play the audio file by default, you don't have any visual representations, so it might be boring if you were to just play the audio. If you want a visualization now, you can actually go around over here onto the audio menu and then go to visualization. So here you can see that there's many visualization options, as you can see, like the spectrometer and so forth. So let's just go ahead and see some of them right here. As I click on it and click on play, you can see the meter right here, and it goes ahead and plays around with the audio. And then you can go ahead and change it to scope as well, as you can see right here. You can go ahead and choose other ones as you like as well. For example, I'm going to go around over here and choose spectrum right here. And there's a lot of interesting ones, as you can see right here. Let's go for Goom now. And that is how you can go ahead and enable out the visualizations. And if you want to go ahead and turn it off, then you can simply go back to audio, onto visualization and disable it out. And then you simply don't have visualization anymore. And that is how you can utilize audio visualization inside a VLC Media Player. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.